Has this happened to you? Have you tried and failed the two-tone technique? Have you given up in frustration even though you really want to master it? Today we're going to show you our tips on how to achieve the two-tone technique. First things first, you need to carefully choose your OUTboss stamp for this technique. You want to pick a design that is simple and not too detailed. Start off by dusting your stamp with corn flour. You want to fill the entire stamp to ensure it gets into all areas. Next, you need to tap it all out. This will ensure the entire stamp has been coated but no lumps of flour have got stuck. This technique is best achieved with fresh fondant. Consistency is key. You want it to be super soft and tacky. Using a small amount of fondant, gently lay it on top and press it into the stamp with your fingers. Using the two-tone scraper, you press the scraper down onto the fondant while also scraping away the excess. Make sure to remove the excess that is stuck to the scraper before going back to scrape again. This will take multiple scrapes. Continue your way around the stamp until you can clearly see the design and there is no excess pieces of fondant. With your other colour of fondant, roll it out to 1 centimetre thick. You don't want this too thin as you will be rolling over it again. Place it face down on top of the stamp. Make sure there is no corn flour on either piece of fondant. In one roll over the fondant, applying a gentle pressure. Flip the OUTboss over and very slowly and gently peel the fondant away from the stamp, working all the way around before slowly pulling away from the centre to reveal your two-tone topper. This technique requires patience and a lot of practice, but with these tips you'll be sure to master it. Let us know if you have any other questions about the two-tone technique.